It is still crazy to me how thin these foldable, flippable cell phones truly are. But the brand new special edition variant that's coming out on October 18th from Samsung, Dimensions, got leaked. And it does have a beautiful 8-inch inside display. It does have a 6.5-inch outside display. And to be honest, it kind of, again, very similar to what we see out of the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, inside display that is. But thickness is still not thin enough for most people. That's something that we have seen so much of when it comes to foldable cell phones. Everyone's trying to make the thinnest cell phone possible. Nobody wants to have a thick foldable cell phone. Me personally, I don't care. I don't care about the thinness or the thickness. I'm okay with a thick foldable cell phone. If it does the job I need to do, it lets me multitask. It lets me, operate it the way I want to operate it. I don't care how thick it is. But this is, how the market works. This is how every company works. And Honor Magic V3 is only 9.2 millimeters thin when it's closed, obviously being 10.6 millimeters for the Z Fold 6, even the special edition, which is 5% thinner than the Z Fold 6 regular edition. It's still way too thick for most people. And again, this right here is the world's thinnest phone, the Magic V3, versus the Z Fold 6. This is not the 6 special edition. This is just the 6, which you could already see the absolute thinness. And if you use a Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold, you can also see the thinness. And again, I do like it. I really do love the thinness of these cell phones. I don't think personally they need to be this thin. I think, in all honesty, make them thicker, but add in some abilities. Add in a bigger battery. Add in extra features. I don't care. Make them thicker. Just give me more features. Give me more for my money. I'd rather you not take away stuff like that. Don't be like, oh, I'm going to make it extra thin, so we're going to take away A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Give me extra stuff for my money, right? And again, this is insane. There's no way you can tell me this is not insane how thin these foldable cell phones surely are. This is insane. Again, this is the Magic V2, not the V3. The V3 is thinner. But yeah, and by the way, this is all fully open. These are not closed. So when it says side view, I know you might think when they're fully closed. No, this is when they're fully open. So you see the hinge right here, it's fully open. But still, it is super freaking thin. And the V3 is even thinner than this, but I don't have a V3 right here on image. But again, like I said, me personally, I just rather give me as many features as I can get for my $1,800. I don't care if, it's thick or not. I really don't. But you can tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, and what do you feel on that circumstance. I'll see you guys in the next one.